So good morning, everybody. I have so much going on here right now. Today, I have some really small zucchini from my garden. I picked these just before our hard frost. These would not have made it. So they're going to go in my fresh bean, corn, vegetable salad. So with that said, these are from my garden. My son has had a huge harvest of tomatoes. He picked all these just before the frost. So I have a huge bag of these. You'll see I have my green onion that's growing in my windowsill, and I have fresh parsley from my herb garden. In my Tupperware container, I have corn, canned corn, green beans, and just red kidney beans. I love all of these. In my household, not all of us like corn. Not all of us like kidney beans. I do. Since this dish is just for me, this is something I'm going to be able to eat over the coming week. I'm outside a lot, and a lot of times I don't eat breakfast or I don't eat lunch. But if you're looking for something nutritious on the run, I can make this Italian type salad that is very nutritious, because you figure you got the kidney beans, you're gonna have protein in that. You got your corn, your green beans, my own herbs, which are very healthy. Garden fresh, these are organic tomatoes, organic zucchini, and then an onion. I love provolone, so I had 4 thick slices of provolone left, which are gonna go in here. And then I have mixed up my Italian seasoning with oil and vinegar. That's what we use on our pasta dish, pasta salad. I did a video on a while back. So I'm gonna start with my zucchini. I am leaving the skins on since it's mine. Nothing's been sprayed. These have been washed. And I'm gonna sprinkle that in. I love zucchini. I think they call it, what is it, julienne, where they make strips of it, or matchsticks kind of. I don't get that fancy. Nobody calls me Mr. Fancy Pants. I just like it, so I just cut it up the way I'm gonna eat it. I don't care what it's shaped like. I have that Italian pasta. There's a recipe at the back. We've made that for years in our household. I'm talking many, like 40 years that I remember, as long as I can remember. Maybe 50 years. But it's just something that a lot of times churches, it's one of those dishes that, you know, people would bring to their church potlucks and stuff. So, as you can see, this start to come together. This is gonna make quite a nice sized bowl. So when I'm working outside, I come in, I just don't feel like cooking something. I don't even feel like making a sandwich sometimes. I can throw this together, and this will feed me early lunch or late lunch, healthy. This will feed me for 5 or 6 days, okay? And this is everything I really enjoy. I like onion. My wife does not like onion. Other people in my family like it a little bit. I like it a lot. So I like to leave it chunky, because I'll eat onion sandwiches. So that's going to remain chunky. Again, this is my flavor profile. This is stuff that I like. If you don't like this much onion or this size onion, grate it up so it's more like a liquid. mix it in, and a lot of times people, if they like the flavor but not the actual bite of the onion, use a microplaner or a food processor. It'll liquefy it, and then they won't mind so much. Put the onion in there so you can really see this all come together. It's colorful. I mean, like Hearth and Homestead the other day, like they tell you to eat the rainbow. Well, I don't know what you'd call that, but that's a rainbow to me. Now, we do this cheese. I'm just using good old deli provolone. I love provolone. Well, that's for science. I had to eat a piece just to make sure it was still okay to eat. So I would highly recommend, maybe a sample, maybe two. I mean, you want to make sure the food is good to consume, so. Remember, like I say at Okies Eden, safety third. Safety third. So you can see how it's coming together. Obviously, the volume's getting more and more. Now, the star of the show is these tomatoes. I keep just keep a little yogurt dish there or something handy for your compost. That will go in the subscriber garden later. I have so many tomatoes now. I'm so excited because my son and daughter-in-law, they didn't really produce during the summer, but then all of a sudden in the fall, they just went completely crazy and tomatoes started harvesting like crazy. What I like about these tomatoes is look how meaty they are. There's barely any seeds in them. I like my tomatoes chunky. Some people don't like the seeds or the mush. I don't care. I like it. I'll put some in there just a little bit bigger. This is a larger tomato, so this one's going to get cut down a little bit. Okay, so tomatoes are in the pool. You can see tomatoes are in the pool. Get that mixed up. Really coming together. Look at that. Let's get out my green onion. Okay, green onion into the pool. Parsley. Oh, it smells so good when you have fresh cut parsley. The smell is amazing. Okay. So that is everything. So remember, we had a can of corn, a can of red kidney beans, and a can of green beans. All were drained in my strainer, in my Tupperware strainer. It's got provolone cheese, it's got onion, green onion, fresh parsley. It has tomatoes from my son's garden, my zucchini, so on and so forth. Now, this is, like I said, this is the same mixture. So you can buy these right off of Amazon. They're for mixing Italian salad dressing. So it has a vinegar mark. I don't know if you can see it or not, but here's a V for vinegar. And then up here with water. And then you mix oil up to here. Then you just add whatever seasoning, and then you just shake it. For that pasta salad, my wife doesn't like olive oil, so we use just regular old vegetable oil, which I know that's probably frowned upon, but that's what we use. I love olive oil. I love avocado oil. I love all grapeseed oil, all of them. So this has extra virgin olive oil in it. Just want to see how it tastes right now. Okay. The rest of that's going on. I love fresh Italian dressing. And I can shake this every time I go to use it, once I put the top on. Look at that. So that is not only fresh and delicious and healthy, but it's got olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Let's throw a little bit of this in the dish. Let's turn you guys up here so you can see good old Okie. Okay, so there we are. I want to get a little bit of everything. I got some cheese, I got my zucchini, corn, and I do want to get a piece of tomato in there. So there we go. Onion. Okay. Here we go. Crispy, crunchy, healthy, delicious. So like I said, this is my come inside from outdoors. If I've been working all morning and I just need something to get by before dinner, what better thing to eat than that? So give it a try. Add what you want to add to it. If you want to add Caesar salad dressing to it, do that. If you just want to add just oil and vinegar, do that. One thing I did forget, I'm sorry. One thing that always sets it off for me, and I forgot to add it, is a little bit of black pepper. I love black pepper. But give this a try, because you'll eat this. You will not feel guilty after eating this. This is really good for you. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.